He has cut the gas feed line to my HVAC, and he's cut the gas line going to my water heater. Cut the PVC drain lines. Got another drain line cut here. Cut the wiring there. Cut all the wiring there. That wiring is cut. That wire is cut. These are all cut. And of course, I mean, just left lots and lots of trash to be cleared out. Holes in the walls. He took the vanity out of the extra bathroom and laundry room. Carpet is gone. Left a lot of junk. In the kitchen, he has removed all of the cabinet faces. Looks like he may have messed with the plumbing a little bit down there. Taken the overhead, the draft hood. Remove the light fixture parts. A lot of the return air grills have been taken. In the backyard, looks like he had a bonfire with my cabinet faces and maybe the doors too. Lots of wiring is out there as well. Took all the switch plates with him. Carpet gone. All but the interior doors he took and I think burned. Took all the shelving out of that closet. Interior doors gone for the bed, one of the bedrooms. Hole in the wall. Looks like he tried to get this out. I'm not sure what that is. Busted toilet. Busted sink vanities. Interior door gone. Busted countertops, busted sinks. Hardware missing in both of the bathrooms. Another busted toilet. You can see he just did this. That's all the debris on the floor. Obviously took a hammer to that. Looked like he tried to pull up the baseboards and get rid of them. Every switch plate is pretty much gone. Shower head missing. Bifold doors gone. Bed's gone. Return air grill. And that looks like the lot of it. As you can see, I had to replace the garage door, and I've coated the floor. It's a little dirty, got a new coating on it, so it looks a lot better. And here the HVAC has been replaced, all new. Gas lines reconnected. Holes filled on the ceiling too. I'm going to paint the garage, of course. Well, the exterior is done, pretty much. making headway. Still got some bunch of stuff going on inside. The new roof is on, and what I neglected to add to the last video was that this guy actually drilled holes in the roof on the backside. So it was leaking, and I had to redo all the ceilings, and I'll show you that in a second. Anyway, looking pretty good, getting closer. Now we move inside. All right, here we go. Kitchen cabinets are in with crown. Looking good. I like it. And these are the, should be the soft close. Yep, very nice. Got Lazy Susan over here. Well, now just got to get flooring in. The pantry, very good. Get the flooring done, and I need to demo the flooring in the upstairs bathrooms. Still have that to go, but I think everything, steps included, is going to be laminate through here. That flooring is coming out, and all this junk is coming out too with the cabinets. And I still got some wall prep and painting to do. Probably going to probably remove that tub, I think. I don't know yet. May just resurface it. It is a half bath. And then the master bedroom, there are more cabinets. There. And then you gotta get this junk out of here, including this junky floor. So yeah, a little bit of paint too as well. Anyway, coming along.